Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some calculus, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So in this question, I'm going to do both of them. So let's do 7.3.1 first. And in this instance, we are looking to solve dy dx. dy dx, so here, x is our focus of concern. So let's do that. So we've got dy over dx, and we're going to differentiate with respect to x. And we've got an x squared over there, so we're going to use our rule to multiply our coefficient by the exponent. So that's going to be 2a, and then we need to subtract 1 from our exponent, so that's going to be left with an x. And here we don't have an x, so this is a constant which will simply fall away, and that would be our final answer for this particular question. Moving on to 7.3.2, now we need to differentiate with respect to a, so dy over dA. Right, so let's have a look here. So now we see that we've got an a over there. So that a is like, it doesn't have an exponent, so we don't have to apply the exponent rule. So what we're going to do is we're just going to keep x squared, okay, and the a falls away. And then we've got plus a, and there again, okay, we don't have an exponent, so we're just going to leave our 1. And that is going to be our final answer when we differentiate with respect to a. A very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website to see more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.